Now we are going to perform BCD addition. Okay, so we have three cases. If sum is less than or equal to 9 and the final carry is equal to 0, the answer is correct. And in the second case, if the sum is less than or equal to 9 and a final carry is generated. Okay, so the answer is incorrect and we have to add 6 to the sum. Okay, that is 6 means 0110 in binary form. Okay, to get the corrected result. And in third case, if the sum is greater than 9 and the final carry is equal to 0, then again the answer is incorrect and we have to add 6, that is 0110 to get the corrected result. Okay, so BCD addition is just like a binary addition. Okay, so we know binary addition. So in binary addition, 0 plus 0, when we add 0 plus 0, the sum and carry will be 0 and 0. Okay, so when we add 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0, okay, the sum will be 1 and the carry will be 0. So when we add 1 plus 1, here this is the important point we should note. So when we add 1 plus 1, the sum is 0 and the carry generated is 1. Okay, so this is your normal binary addition. Okay, in this way we are going to perform BCD addition as well. Okay, so example exercise 1. So 2 plus 6. Perform BCD addition for these two numbers. Okay, so first I am writing the binary format for this decimal number, that is 0010, and for this 6 0110. So I am going to add these two. So 11100. So this lies under your case 1, that is, see here, sum is less than 9 and the carry generated is also 0. Okay, so there is no carry generated after this digit. So the answer is correct. So this is the correct answer. Then your exercise 2, perform BCD addition of these numbers. Okay, so for 3, the binary form is 0011 and for 7, 0111. So I'm going to perform addition. Okay, so 1 plus 1, 0, and it produces a carry. So when you add 111, you will get 11. That is sum as 1 and carry as 1. Okay, so then 110 and this one goes to here. Okay, so this is your answer. Here, see, count the positional value first. 8 plus 2. Okay, so the sum is greater than 9. Okay, and there is no carry generated at the end. Okay, so this is your case 3. This is your case 3. Final carry is equal to 0, but still the answer is incorrect. Okay, so we have to add 6 to this number. Okay, so when you add 6, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, and then 1. So 1 plus 1, 0, 1, and 1 plus 1, 10. Okay, so here a carry is generated. Okay, see here, this is your final answer. And to check the answer, convert this BCD into decimal. Okay, so we know that to convert BCD number into a decimal number, Okay, so for that we have to group this 4. So group this and this group. Okay, so I am adding leading zeros. So what is the value of this set? 0 and 1. Okay, so and your problem 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So the answer is same. So you can verify your answer by making this cross check. Then your next exercise 3, 8 plus 9. Okay, so I am writing 8 in a binary format and this 9, 1 0 0 1, that is 8 plus 1. So I am going to add this to 1 0 0 1 plus 1 0. So carry is generated. So final carry is equal to 1 and the sum is obviously greater than 9. Okay, so this falls under your case 2. Okay, so this falls under your case 2. So the answer is incorrect and you have to add 6 into this number. So 0 1 1 6. So 1 1 1 0 and 1. Okay, so this is your final answer and you can do a cross check. Group this and add leading zeros and the value of this set is 7 and the value of this set is 1. So 1 7. Here your problem is 8 plus 9, that is 17. So this is the correct answer. So here fourth exercise, 4 is equal to 57 plus 26. Okay, see these are 2 bits, a decimal number, 2-digit decimal number. So first I am taking 57. Okay, so for 5 0 1 0 1 and for 7 0 1 1. Okay, and I am taking 26. For 6 0 1 1 0 and for 2 0 0 1 0. Okay, so I am adding these two. 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 10 and 0 as sum and carry as 1. Okay, so 1 1 1 you will get 1 1, 1 over here and 1 over here and then 1. Okay, and then this set 1 1 1 0. Okay, and you have to check set by set. Okay, 4 digit. Okay, so for this first set the sum is greater than 9 and for this set the sum is less than 9. Okay, so this one is correct set and this one is incorrect. Okay, so we have to add 6 to this set. Okay, so just add this 1 plus 1 10 and 1 plus 1 10 0. So this carry will be forwarded to this digit and 1 plus 1 0 1. Okay, so 1 is sum and 0 is sum and 1 is carry forwarded. Okay, and 1 plus 1 10. So 1 over here and 1 plus 1 10 1 and finally 1. Okay, so this is your final answer and you can cross check by converting it again to a decimal number. Okay, so take this first group. So the value of this set is 3 and here 8. Okay, so what are the given numbers? 57 plus 26. Okay, so the result should be 83. So the reason why we are adding 6 to every incorrect term is See, as we have seen already in the BCD code representation, only 0 to 9. Okay, so starting from 0 and to 9, the numbers are actual numbers. After that, those are not decimal digits. Okay, those are decimal numbers. Okay, there are 2 digits present in a number. So after 10, those are coming under don't care conditions. Okay, so those are coming under invalid numbers. Okay, so when we get the sum greater than 9, we have to add 6 to get the correct number. See, from 10 to 15, count the numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so there are 6 digits. So when we get the sum is greater than 9, we have to add 6 to the result to get the corrected result. Okay, so this is the reason we are adding 6 to every incorrect answer.